Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to eat healthy can be a challenge. But that's where the Oh She Glows cookbook by Angela Liddon comes in. This beautifully crafted cookbook focuses on plant-based recipes that are not only delicious, but also nourishing. Angela Liddon, a passionate advocate for healthy eating, shares her journey of transforming her own life through wholesome, plant-based foods. The cookbook is filled with vibrant, easy-to-follow recipes that cater to everyone, whether you're a seasoned vegan or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet. Healthy eating is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice that can significantly impact your overall well-being. By embracing a plant-based diet, you can improve your energy levels, boost your mood, and even enhance your long-term health. The Oh She Glows cookbook emphasizes the importance of whole foods, encouraging readers to explore the benefits of fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. When you dive into this cookbook, you can expect to learn a variety of recipes that are not only satisfying but also simple to prepare. From hearty breakfasts to indulgent desserts, Angela provides a wealth of options that will inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. So, whether you're looking to revamp your meals or simply want to enjoy some delicious, healthy food, the Oh She Glows cookbook is your go-to guide for a vibrant, plant-based lifestyle. Author background. Angela Liddon's journey into the world of plant-based cooking is both inspiring and relatable. Like many of us, she faced her own struggles with food and health. After battling an eating disorder in her early 20s, Angela realized that her relationship with food needed to change. This pivotal moment led her to explore the benefits of a whole food, plant-based diet, which not only helped her heal, but also transformed her life. Through her experiences, she discovered the power of nourishing the body with wholesome ingredients, and this became the foundation of her culinary philosophy. Angela's personal story deeply influenced her approach to cooking. She wanted to create meals that were not only healthy, but also enjoyable and satisfying. This led her to experiment with various plant-based ingredients, ultimately developing recipes that are both accessible and delicious. Her goal was to show that eating well doesn't have to be complicated or bland. Instead, it can be a joyful experience filled with vibrant flavors and textures. Driven by her passion for making vegan cooking approachable, Angela began sharing her recipes on her blog, Oh She Glows. The overwhelming positive response encouraged her to compile her best creations into a cookbook. In the Oh She Glows cookbook, Angela invites readers to join her on a journey of health and happiness, proving that plant-based eating can be both nourishing and delightful for everyone, regardless of their culinary skills. Recipe highlights. The Oh She Glows cookbook is brimming with standout recipes that showcase the versatility and deliciousness of plant-based cooking. One of the fan favorites is the chickpea salad sandwich, a hearty and satisfying dish that combines protein-packed chickpeas with crunchy vegetables and a zesty dressing. This sandwich not only provides essential nutrients, but also offers a delightful texture that makes it perfect for lunch or a quick snack. Packed with fiber and healthy fats, it's a great way to fuel your day while keeping your energy levels stable. Another must-try recipe is the chocolate avocado pudding, which is a game-changer for dessert lovers. This creamy treat uses ripe avocados blended with cocoa powder and a touch of maple syrup, creating a rich and indulgent dessert that is surprisingly healthy. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making this pudding a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth. These recipes exemplify the nutritional benefits of a plant-based diet, emphasizing whole foods that nourish the body while tantalizing the taste buds. By incorporating dishes like the chickpea salad sandwich and chocolate avocado pudding into your meal rotation, you can enjoy delicious flavors while supporting your health. So why not give these recipes a try? They are not only easy to prepare, but also a fantastic way to embrace a healthier lifestyle. With Angela Liddon's guidance, you'll discover that eating well can be both enjoyable and fulfilling. Cooking tips and techniques. The Oh She Glows cookbook is not just about delicious recipes. It also offers valuable cooking tips and techniques that can elevate your culinary experience. One of the standout features is Angela Liddon's insights on ingredient substitutions for common allergens. Whether you're dealing with nut allergies, gluten sensitivities, or dairy intolerance, Angela provides alternatives that ensure everyone can enjoy her dishes. For instance, if a recipe calls for nuts, you can often substitute seeds like sunflower or pumpkin seeds, maintaining the texture and flavor without compromising safety. Meal prep is another essential strategy highlighted in the cookbook. Angela encourages readers to dedicate some time each week to prepare ingredients in advance, such as chopping vegetables, cooking grains, or making dressings. This not only saves time during busy weekdays, but also makes it easier to whip up healthy meals on the fly. By having prepped ingredients on hand, you can create a variety of dishes without the stress of starting from scratch each time. Finally, Angela inspires viewers to experiment with flavors and textures in their cooking. Don't be afraid to add your twist to her recipes by incorporating different spices, herbs, or even swapping out vegetables based on what you have available. This creative approach not only makes cooking more enjoyable, but also helps you discover new combinations that suit your palate. With these tips and techniques, you'll find that plant-based cooking can be both accessible and exciting. Community and support. One of the most enriching aspects of the Oh She Glows brand is the vibrant community that surrounds it. Angela Liddon has cultivated a space where individuals on similar health journeys can connect, share, and support one another. This sense of community is vital as it fosters encouragement and motivation, making the transition to a plant-based lifestyle feel less daunting. When you connect with others who share your goals and challenges, you can exchange tips, celebrate successes, and find solace in knowing you're not alone on this journey. To facilitate these connections, there are numerous online resources available. Angela's blog, Oh She Glows, features a comment section where readers can engage with one another, sharing their thoughts and experiences related to the recipes. Additionally, social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook host various groups and forums dedicated to plant-based living. These spaces allow members to ask questions, seek advice, and showcase their culinary creations, creating a supportive environment for everyone involved. Encouraging viewers to share their experiences and recipes with the community is essential. By posting your own adaptations of Angela's recipes or sharing your personal health journey, you contribute to a collective knowledge base that can inspire others. Whether it's through a blog post, a social media update, or a simple comment, your voice matters. Together, we can build a supportive network that celebrates the joys of healthy, plant-based living, making the journey even more fulfilling. Conclusion. In summary, Angela Liddon's Oh She Glows cookbook plays a pivotal role in promoting healthy eating through its collection of vibrant, plant-based recipes. This cookbook not only showcases delicious meals, but also emphasizes the importance of nourishing our bodies with whole foods. Angela's personal journey and her passion for accessible cooking inspire readers to embrace a healthier lifestyle, making it easier for anyone to incorporate plant-based dishes into their daily routine. Key takeaways from our discussion include the encouragement to try new recipes, such as the chickpea salad sandwich, and chocolate avocado pudding, which highlight the nutritional benefits of plant-based eating. Additionally, we explored the significance of connecting with a supportive community where individuals can share their experiences, seek advice, and celebrate their culinary successes together. This sense of belonging can make the journey toward healthier living more enjoyable and fulfilling. As we wrap up, we invite you to engage with us. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on healthy eating and plant-based cooking. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from Angela's inspiring recipes and insights. Together, we can spread the joy of healthy living and create a community that thrives on delicious, nourishing food. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.